Hey everyone, Maik Kleinert here. In today's video I'm talking about the new FeiyuTech AK4500. In the video I'm showing you how I build up my FeiyuTech gimbal and then how I use the dual grip and also how you mount the follow focus system. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the new FeiyuTech gimbal, the 4500, and it's a pretty good one. It's a really light one. It's 1.6 kilogram and can hold 4.6 kilogram. So can hold a rat, I would guess. But just like, I should try it out. Should I try it out? We'll see. This setup is really easy. It's a Sony a7 Mark III with a Tamron 28 to 75 millimeters. There's one wheel on this side and one wheel here. You can use it for the follow focus system. And then they are both have the same buttons, so you can twist your camera left and right. So it's pretty easy, right? And yeah, and then you can just focus with one hand, and you see it's pretty nice. I had a shooting on the rooftop with a model, so we was testing around with the gimbal and I used the follow focus system and also the new Inception style, which is pretty nice. It's called here 360 rotation, so if I press the one and I press infinity rotation, then the camera is twisting and you can do really nice shots here. On the gimbal you also has the selfie mode here. If you press, then it goes to the selfie mode and then you just can walk and talk to the camera. That looks like a microphone. You maybe can put on a microphone, but you should remove this very easily here. And there's also another option, not only use this as a dual grip and a good hand when you're going low, it's pretty nice, but you also can use a dual grip. And a dual grip is the AKR1, this is the one. So it has completely a cage, and I show you how you can mount your camera on it and with the gimbal together and the monitor. Okay, let's get started setting up our gimbal. This is the accessory set, which has the single handle grip, and the AKR1, it's the dual handle grip. You will get a nice case to carry around your gimbal. The new stand for the AK4500 is light and very stable. The motor is equipped with a 3-axis lock button, can be used to fix the 3-axis when leveling, storage and to prevent shaking. You will get a multi-use charger with 4 batteries, which you can also charge with your power bank. This is a carbon fiber road bar for better holding and creating longer movements. Mounting the new dual layer quick release plate to your camera, it makes it easy and quick to installing the camera back without leveling. It uses the ARCA switch mount, so you can use it on your tripod and switch quickly back to the gimbal. It's perfect for photographers or filmmakers to create some static footage. Oh yeah, don't forget to remove the lens cap before you balance your gimbal. This is just a quick balancing. I can also create an in-depth video how to balance the gimbal and using the lock axis if you want. Please let me know in the comments down below. Mount the versatile handle frame at the AK4500 for the single hand handle grip, which is also a detachable controller to control the movements wireless. Make sure you mount the Hyperlink remote controller correctly where the groove is. I also saw some videos here on YouTube where they mount the controller the other way around and it just falls apart. Now you can mount the lens support. It will keep the lens straight and the camera will not move to the left or to the right. Okay, now it's time to mount the AKF II follow focus system. First you have to mount the lens gear belt. Make sure it goes to the right side. Mount the fixed bracket with the hex screw. Position the aluminium stick so that it is not in your frame and you have space to mount the follow focus gear.
Most cine lenses have the little teeth for a follow focus system. The Tamron 2875 lens, which is a digital focus, needs the gearing bar so that you can use the AKF II. Option 1 is to mount it from the front, which would be for the most cine lenses. In my case with the Tamron lens, I need to mount the AKF II on the back side so that the gear fits together. Make sure the gearing bar sits straight and tight on your lens. Now you mount the USB cable and connect it with the gimbal. There are two options possible, one at the front and one at the back. After mounting the follow focus system, make sure to rebalance the AK4500. So then turn on the camera, go in knob settings, camera control and choose the AKF II. Now press the button twice to set the start point. Choose your start point and press one more time the button. Press 3 times to set up the end point. Go to the end point and then press one more time the button and the AKF II motor goes back to the start point. You have two wheels to control or pull the focus on the gimbal. Now we are coming to how connect the gimbal with the camera. You will get the USB micro cable which you connect on your gimbal and then on your camera. Turn on the gimbal and open the FeiyuTech One app to connect the gimbal with your phone. You can also change the trigger key settings, motor strength, speed of the joystick, or you can control your gimbal movements via the app. You have also different other options to control the gimbal, making time lapse or auto rotation. We are coming now how to mount the dual handle grip. First you have to remove the stand and the controller part from the FeiyuTech AK4500. Get the dual handle grip out of the box and connect it with the top part of the gimbal. Make sure to connect correctly with the pins together. Tighten up the motor part with the dual grip. Mount now the other parts and the controller panel together. Done! Now you can turn on the gimbal and you are ready to go. Now with the joystick you can control the movements, and with the wheel you can use the follow focus system. I'm showing you now how to mount the monitor on the dual grip. I'm using a small HD Focus 5. You can mount it on the left or on the right side. I attach it on the left side because I also want to mount a microphone on it. Now I mount the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus on the right side. Then don't forget to rebalance the gimbal because of the cable and then you're ready to go. We are coming now how to connect the Hyperlink remote controller. At the gimbal go to the knob setting, then camera control and choose the AKF II. Now use the Hyper remote control, press and hold the upper button. Next press the side button, select with the joystick, set, then BLE scan and then choose the AK4500. You can use now the controller with the joystick, multifunction knob, press record or press and hold the trigger button at the back side to enter the Zomato sensory mode. Then pan or tilt the axis with the controller's movement. Or use the multifunction knob for the follow focus system. This is a quick go through the menu. At the gimbal you can control the white balance, camera exposure or ISO. If you go to the inception mode, you can choose your rotation speed, if it should rotate one time or endless. In motion time-lapse, you have the time or the route settings to set the start and the end point, or the motion times to create amazing time-lapse movements. Without the app, you also can calibrate your gimbal, set the payload or the shooting mode smooth, action or your custom. You can also lock all the buttons when you are filming, that you not accidentally change some settings.
Thanks for watching. More tutorials will come soon from all my tech gear and also the behind the scenes shooting from photo shootings and video shootings, how I use the gear and which settings I'm using as well on the camera, so you can see the before and after and the finished video and the behind the scenes on this channel. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification and see you next one. Peace. Tschüss. It's always, you don't need to go in a gym. You just like, you know, you just can train at home. It's a home trainer. It's not only a gimbal for your videos, it's also for your exercise at home. A home exercise. It's maybe way cheaper if you buy some tools for the gym. Anyway, see ya.